Trico, a leading scaffolding and formwork systems manufacturer in China, offers top-quality Q235 galvanized steel H-frame scaffolding. Our products are perfect for construction and building projects, with customizable sizes and durable steel tube material. With online technical support and a 1-year warranty, Trico ensures customer satisfaction. Choose Trico for reliable scaffolding solutions and accessories. Contact us for a quote today.